The poem Grandma Climbs a Tree by Ruskin Bond is a funny and touching poem about the poet's unusual grandmother. Unlike most grandmothers, she is full of energy and loves climbing trees. The grandmother's love for climbing trees is established from a young age from her brother, at the age of 6, and continues into her later years. The family is initially worried about her climbing, fearing she might fall and get injured. Even when she grew old, people often told her to stop, thinking it was not proper for an old lady to climb trees. But she didn't care. She believed in staying active and free. One day, she climbed a tree and couldn't come down. A rescue team had to bring her down. The family thought this incident would stop her. A climbing incident leads to a doctor's advice for bed rest, but Granny finds this confinement unbearable. But instead, it made her wish to live in a tree house. Her son, who respects her adventurous spirit, built a tree house for her, and she lived happily in it. The poem shows the poet's deep love and admiration for his grandmother. It tells us that age should not stop anyone from doing what they love. Ruskin Bond uses humor and warmth to celebrate her free spirit, courage, and uniqueness. The poem reminds us to accept and support people for who they are, no matter how different they may seem.